How to use the ACSI camping card. So first of all, it comes with two books, which are volume part 1 and part 2. They both cover different areas, which is highlighted in blue. And the important thing is part 2 has the camping card inside. And this is the actual physical card you need to show at the campsite to get your discount. Part 1 has the map showing you the location at the campsite at the back. It's stuck in on the back cover. So to choose a campsite, and we are currently in Spain and Portugal, you need to look at the map. So if we wanted to go to Lagos, which is number 2422, that's the number we need to look up in part 2, which has the Spain and Portugal section in it. So within part 2, the sections are identified with their flags, and we are looking up Lagos, which was number 2422. So we need to click through, checking these numbers, which run sequentially. And 2422 is here. So it's just outside Lagos. And let's zoom in on the entry. So you can see the entry number is here. You've got the town name, you've got all the information about the campsite. Got directions and information, and then we have a whole load of letters which are in the introduction showing you what that all means. And that is the quickest way to look up a campsite using the ACSI camping card.